Hi everyone. Ever wondered about the difference between becoming a doctor in India versus the USA? Let's break it down for you. Once you clear it, you dive into 5.5 years of MBBS, and after that, it's 2-3 more years of your post-graduation. After so, you're looking at 8 years or more. But with the St. Martin's University, things work a bit differently. Here you will be starting with a 5 years bachelor's degree, including 3 years of hands-on and interactive basic science courses, plus 2 years of clinical rotation in the US. And nothing great about it, there is no NEET or MCAT required to get admissions in the St. Martin's University. Plus they are giving you a free PG program with around $1 lakh of stipend. With their 3 plus 2 years of program, you are not just studying, but you are preparing for US M&E exam, which is required to be a licensed doctor in the US. Also, you are not having any hassle of giving any kind of entrance exam. If we talk about the salary, once you finally become a PG doctor in India, you are looking at an annual salary of Rs 10 to 12 lakhs per year. It's decent, but after all that hard work, it doesn't really match the effort, does it? And when you compare the salary, it's mind-blowing. In the USA, the average salary of a doctor is 1.8 to 2.5 CR per year, and that is 20 times more than what you earn in India. So in India, you will spend at least 8 years in school with a lot of focus on theoretical knowledge. But in the St. Martin's University, you are looking at a streamlined 5-year pathway with practical knowledge and higher success rate. And don't forget the benefits. No hefty donations, capitation fees, or quota system just like in India. Also, no hassle of giving a competitive entrance exam. You know what? I'm convinced. Why should I wait for years and stress over exams when I can start my journey now at St. Martin's University? That's the spirit. And trust me, you won't regret it. Let's get started. Join St. Martin's University and make your dream of become a doctor in USA a reality.